So in the silent lesson today, we're going to begin to learn the song Easy Does It, and it's on page 19 of your handbook, Play Guitar Today, and we're just going to begin that. So this is going to use some of the notes that are on the fourth string. So if you take a look there, it says 4/4 at the start, so we're already familiar with that. We know that we've got 4 beats or 4 counts in each bar. So the first 4 notes are C, B, A and G. So I play my C, that's the second string first fret. Then B is just my second string open. A, which is my second fret on the third string. And then this G, this is the G that's on the third string. So each of these notes last 1 beat each, and they sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play that again for you. So moving on to the second bar, and again feel free to pause this and practice that first bar before we move on. But we're now moving into bar number 2, and you'll see that the first note is a minim. It lasts 2 beats, but it's one of our new notes on the 4th string, and we're playing the F note on the 4th string. So we're up using our third finger on the 3rd fret of the 4th string, and it lasts for 2 beats. So it goes 1, 2. Okay. After that, you'll see something that we maybe haven't come across in a while on our music. It looks like a little bit of a squiggle, but in actual fact, it's a rest. And what that means is we have to silence our guitar, and it's a crotchet rest. So it means that we have to silence our guitar for 1 beat. Different ways in which you could silence your guitar, but if you're playing the F note, what the easiest thing to do is just stop pressing down on the string as firmly, kind of almost let go of the string, but keep your finger touching the string. Okay, so what I'm doing is as I play my F note, I go 1, 2, and I kind of release the pressure that I'm pushing down on the string with, but my finger is still touching the string, and that kind of deadens the string. Okay, if you find that a little bit tricky, you can just take your hand up and just lightly touch the strings of the guitar, and that will silence the strings also, if you find that first way of doing it a little bit tricky. But it goes like this. So I play my F note and then do the rest. So it's 1, 2, rest. 1, 2, rest. And the rest is on the 3rd beat, so I'm quiet for beat number 3. So it's 1, 2, 3. And then after that rest, there is a D note, but this is a D note that is on my 4th string. Okay, it's the other D note that's on the 4th string, and we just play that open. Okay, you don't need to press down on any of the strings. So I'm basically going F for 2 beats, then a rest, and then playing my D note. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, F, rest, and then D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if I was putting those 2 bars together, it goes like this. 1, 2, rest. Okay, so let's just move on. So our next few notes are B, A, G and F, and you might want to write these notes down as we're doing it. So maybe grab a pencil and write these notes down in your handbook to make things easier. So our B is on our 2nd string, open. Our A, as we already discussed, 2nd fret, 3rd string. And then we have a G, this is a G on the 3rd string. And then this F note is on our 4th string. Okay, so as we've already discussed, we're back up to the 3rd fret of string number 4. And each of these notes lasts 1 beat each, so it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. The very last note is an E note. Okay, there's only one note in this last bar, and it's because it's a semi-breve and it lasts for 4 beats, so we have to count to 4 when we're playing it. And this E note is it's not the E note that's on our first string, it's the E note that's on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. So we play this for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to play through this first line a couple of times. First time counting the beats and counting the rests, and then second time I'll do it without counting it, just so you can hear what it sounds like. So after 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, rest. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now without me doing all the counting, after 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so have a go at that first line, and when you feel confident, move on to the second video to finish off the song.